Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and work on making a garden, and then we're gonna go ahead and count the vegetables in our garden. So the first thing we're gonna have to do before we start working as parents, if you could kind of make a mat for us to work on. So basically it's super easy. Let's do some dirt and then some green on top. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a garden. So you can go ahead and change the fruits and vegetables if you don't have the colors we need, but I was gonna do red, orange, and yellow. The red is gonna be tomatoes. So you can do it together or you can do it ahead of time, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna ask you guys to cut out some tomatoes, and tomatoes are round, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a circle. Here's my tomatoes. And then the orange, it's gonna be carrots. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna fold my paper a few times, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut a triangle. A triangle for our carrots. So here are my carrots. And then the last one, yellow, I was gonna do corn. And for the corn, it's a corn on the cob, pretty much looks, I guess, more like an oval. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out some ovals for my corn. So there's gonna be all the vegetables in my garden. So what you wanna do, parents, you're gonna decide how many. You can give them all of them if you want, it's up to you, but I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick a few from each one. And then I'm gonna mix them up. So once your vegetables are all cut, we're gonna go ahead and mix them up. And then what we're gonna ask the kids to do is to sort them into piles. So we're gonna go ahead and look at our different vegetables. Let's see, tomato, corn, carrot, 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 corn, carrot, tomato, tomato. So now that I have them all sorted into groups, now we're gonna glue them. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with my carrots. So we're gonna glue all the carrots. Now carrots grow underneath the ground. So for the carrots, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the brown part. So I'm gonna put all my carrots, put a little glue, stick the triangles pointing down onto my page. All right, I have one more. And now I've done all of my carrots. Next, I'm gonna do my tomatoes. Now tomatoes grow on a plant. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna glue my tomatoes up top because they're growing on a vine. Carrots, tomatoes, and last I have my corn. And corn also grows on top. They grow in long stalks. They kind of stick up. There you go. So I just made a garden of vegetables. Now the last thing we're gonna do is we wanna see how many vegetables we have for each one. So for the carrots, I'm gonna go ahead and count, and I'm gonna write the number underneath. For carrots, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carrots. So I'm gonna go ahead and write the number 5. Now let's count tomatoes. For tomatoes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes. And the last is my corn. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna write 3 corn. So when I look at it, which number is the biggest? Which one do I have the most of? Well, the biggest number is 5, so I have the most carrots in my garden. So this is what we're making today, guys. We're gonna make our own garden. Pick 3 different vegetables that you want to grow. If your parents could please cut them out, and then you guys sort, you plant them, and then you count them. Send me a picture of what you do. Bye-bye.